Right now, there are young men who want to do better with their lives, but they don't have anyone showing them how. They don't lack effort or drive. They just lack guidance, tools, and a real path forward. When that gap is not filled, too many of them end up learning from the wrong people and paying for it later, joining gangs, doing drugs. That's the problem that my nonprofit, Chosen Donations, exists to solve. We fund hands-on mentorship and entrepreneurship, training at-risk youth through the school community that we run called Legacy Blueprint Now. The goal is simple and practical. Help young people gain real skills, earn legitimate income, and become productive members of society before destructive alternatives take hold. I'm not teaching theory. I'm teaching what I've lived. My name is Alan Pettit. I bring over 25 years of real-world sales experience, including working with Berkshire Hathaway owned companies, where I handled high-stakes negotiations and regularly asked for 6 and 7-figure commitments. I've even personally broken long-standing sales records at multiple organizations that I've worked for in the past. In one role, my smallest ask of money was $250,000, and I successfully asked for as much as $2.1 million in a single conversation, just one conversation. I understand execution, accountability, and how to turn opportunity into results. And that's exactly what I pass on to these students. The $1,000 Coach K Legacy Grant will be used with precision to remove immediate barriers for one at-risk student who is ready to change their trajectory, but doesn't yet have the basic resources to do so. And here's exactly how the funds will be used. $400 for a reliable laptop, giving the student access to digital training, resume and portfolio creation, job applications, and a business setup. Without this, modern workforce or entrepreneurship training simply does not work. $200 for essential sales and business softwares, including AI-based productivity tools and online platforms that teach ethical sales, communication, and digital business skills employers and clients actually use. $100 will be used for project materials, portfolio hosting, and productivity tools so that the student can present themselves professionally and demonstrate real competence, not just potential. And then the final $300 will be used for direct mentorship support and food stipends, allowing the student to stay focused on training instead of worrying about basic needs. Consistent mentorship and nutrition directly improve discipline, follow through, and produce outcomes. This support creates immediate, measurable results, and that's the key: meticulously measured results. The student will complete structured mentorship covering ethical sales, workforce readiness, resume and interview preparation, where we'll do one-on-one role-playing, and entrepreneurship fundamentals. Progress is tracked weekly and includes curriculum completion, portfolio development, job applications submitted, interviews secured, or concrete progress towards launching their own income-producing activity or business. I take stewardship extremely serious. When I die, I'll be held accountable before our Lord Jesus Christ. I track every dollar, I keep every receipt, I document everything in triplicate just in case I have a system failure, and I keep it physically as well. And I use exclusively, and all of this is used exclusively for student outcomes. This grant is not about overhead, it's about leverage. Coach K's legacy grant will be multiplied through execution, discipline, and accountability to create a real turning point in a young person's life. This will basically create money with velocity. Thank you so much for your consideration, and may God bless you richly.